Hey, what's up everybody? So today I figured I'd do like a dual purpose video. I was actually recording this for myself and I figured it could probably help somebody else out in the process. So I'm going to be vlogging this weekend. I have the GoPro Hero 12 here, I have the creator combo, as you can see. So I don't know if I just wanted to run the mic itself right off the GoPro, or if I wanted to use the mic that's on the media mod. From the videos that I've been seeing, the media mod mic doesn't sound that good. It's obviously just good for if you want to plug up an external microphone. So the first part of this video that I'm going to shoot, the first candy, is going to be the freeze-dried now and laters. I'm going to shoot directly off the GoPro using the GoPro mic that's on the GoPro itself. And then I'm going to put the media mod on, then you can hear how the mic sounds on there. I'm going to end the video with the little wooden muff that goes on the media mod, and it's just see how all three configurations work if you don't have a wireless mic. So here we go. Okay, so the first one I have here is going to be, I think it's called astronaut candy. I forgot the name of the actual, like, I know they have like a whole brand name, but this is freeze-dried now and laters. I didn't think this would actually be a thing. I've been having like this whole freeze-dried kick lately. I love freeze-dried sour Skittles. That's my new favorite way to eat sour Skittles. So when I seen there's freeze-dried now and laters, I'm like, oh shit, one of my second favorite candies. So yeah, let's see how this tastes. Keep in mind with the mic, listen to background noise as I'm opening stuff, hear how that sounds. I'm not going to be using any noise cancellation or anything like that, just raw mic. I'm not going to be editing the mic sounds either. This is, yeah. Okay, so it looks like someone gave you used candy, you know, because they used the original wrappers and it's in there. So let me give you a look at how this looks. It looks like chewed bubble gum. It does. It looks really disgusting. So texture wise, so this is freeze dried. I would assume it would be really crunchy. Okay. Yep. It just tastes like an old now and later. You know, it's sticking to my teeth. Okay. So the freeze dried sour Skittles and the freeze dried Airheads, that shit literally fell apart in your mouth. This is not only falling apart in your mouth, but sticking to every fucking thing it could stick to. This isn't going to be my preferred way of eating now and later. I'm glad I did this right. I think summed up my nostril cavity. I'm glad I got to try it. I'm glad I didn't do this on my lunch break at work, because at least someone's here if I die. Alright, let's go to the freeze-dried warheads, and then you're gonna have the media mod mic on. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, so now that I've sort of gotten my shit together, yeah, so I literally choked on that. I had a drink Sprite. I had a little bit, you know, just get that shit out. It was a horrible fucking experience. If you go into eating freeze-dried now and later, just know it's not gonna be that fucking different. It's not. All right, so we have freeze-dried warheads now. I have very low expectations after. Oh, and by the way, the media mod mic is on. We're gonna put that right here in the corner. Okay, this fucking package, but here we go. Throw it right on the ground, because fuck it. If you can't litter in your own house, work out and you litter. No, don't litter, it's bad. It's very bad. Okay, so I don't know if they fucking freeze-dried this in the packaging, because it still looks fucking sealed. It looks like they, yeah, it looks like they did just that. So it puffed up a lot. So it's a warhead. You know how warheads look. If you know, usually they're very circular and stuff. This puffed up and filled up the whole package. So let's pop it in. Fuck it. I know it's gonna be really sour. Oh, okay. I ruined the flavor of the warhead. It fell apart, but I didn't have like the Skittle effect or like the Airhead effect, where it fell apart into like a powder. It was enjoyable. This more or less fell apart, and it just sticks to your teeth and stuff, and you get pieces like, I swear, like I feel like I keep getting pieces going into my nasal cavity. It's not fun. Not a fun experience. Then again, there we go. That's the name of it. Sweet Ethan's. That was on this one. I didn't like their they're freeze-dried sour Skittles, to be honest. Like, they were really hard. They were too hard. I've been trying different brands of freeze-dried sour Skittles, and like some get it really good where they just fall right apart and it's like turns into powder, and some it's a little crunch, but this brand made it to where it was really hard and crunchy. So I don't think I'm gonna be going to this particular candy shop where they carry this anymore, because they're kind of assholes. All right, so we're gonna put on the little wind muff thing, and I'm gonna end this video so you can see how that sounds. Okay, so now I put the little wind muff thing on the Media Mod mic. So it's the Media Mod with the wind muff. So far this brand has been pretty solid. It's called Tasty Treats. Oh, sorry. There we go, Tasty Treats. I'm so glad this has a front-facing camera. Airheads have been an addiction for me. I love Airheads. And like freeze-dried, again, like I remember I said I love eating freeze-dried sour Skittles. Freeze-dried Airheads, I've been munching at these things, so that's why I've been breaking it off in pieces. But these, oh my god, the texture, so delicious. Look, it sounds a little hard and crunchy, but it's really enjoyable. And I don't feel like I'm gonna fucking snort it. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna go. By the way, did I mention these candy reviews are for adults? So don't worry, it's gonna be marked not made for kids in the little thing before I upload it. But yeah, so I hope you hear some differences. Obviously before I was filming, if you haven't seen my Universal Studios update videos, I mean, they're a little bit dated by now, but go back, check them out. Everything I was doing right off of iPhone 13 and GoPro. I'm gonna be doing a lot more things, you know, trying to expand my content a bit more. But I hope this helps you in some sort of way. See the difference where, like, if you did get the creator combo, if you don't want to put the media mod on right away, let me show you something real quick. Like, it'll come with the Volta. So this has a battery pack in it, and it also comes with a little door to where, you know, you can plug in the USB on the side of the GoPro. So you can rock it just like that without putting the media mod on right away. And then if you want to put the media mod on later to connect to an external mic, either a shotgun mic or a wireless mic, you can do so. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if it helped you out at all, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. And thank you guys so much. I'm out.